There we go. With our handy tool, make a nice twisting turn here, and end about here, so it lets us jump off onto the next turn. So I'm just going to chop the edge here, and then we'll just scoop in to that chopped edge and chop those out, and then just put them up on top of there. And this will give us a nice edge to catch our tires into. And I guess we'll just time lapse all this digging. We need a little dirt at the end of that. What are you doing with that log? Put that log down. Put that log down. Why are you picking up that log? What are you doing with that log? I thought about that earlier, but they're too wide to fit under there. No, it works. Alright, somebody take it. Now it's weighted.
So I changed the tipping weight.
Is it heavier to go over it? You have to get up further before it tips. That's the thing, if you fall over, there's a cedar tree right here that you're gonna hit. So you have to go up a lot further to make it tip though. Yeah. We got a few test runs. We've carved it out to the roundness of a bike track. So the next thing here is to lower the front or the inside of the turn so we don't hit it with our pedals as much. So on to lowering that and a few more test runs.